We are here to talk about Halim Khan, who has mastered the art of Kuchipudi. He has come up with a unique DVD classes, that's tutorial, for Kuchipudi dances. This is not just for the beginners. I think it's a unique idea because people who are in touch with Kuchipudi but cannot practice this regularly, he will make it very easy for you because he's coming up with a DVD which has the steps and the jatis and the items, everything together, inculcated. And slowly you can follow it up. If you are someone who's working and you cannot do classical or you cannot go to the classes every day, DVDs will help you. They are your in-home teachers. And I think for me also it will be very helpful. I cannot follow up dance every now and then because I'm shooting, I'm traveling. And something like this will help me keep in touch with what I'm doing. And forgetting steps is also one more thing which I'm very scared about. When I'm not fully prepared for the performance, I get really tense and all. But with this, I have a tutorial. I know what to go back and forth. I can rewind forward and then practice again. That's the advantage. In the class, when you're with a lot of students, you cannot ask your teacher to do it again because you have a lot of them, and sometimes it becomes difficult to learn again and again individually in a class. But this, it is at your free time. Whatever you have to do, whatever you've forgotten or whatever you want to improve, it's always there. I think Halim Khan has broken the barriers. They all say art has no barriers and he's proved it. He's coming from a culturally different background, but he's learned the traditional Indian Kuchipudi dance and mastered it. And he owes a big thing for this. For him, not just mastering is not that was not his only thing. He wanted people to learn about Kuchipudi and also be in touch with Kuchipudi. That is his attempt to do this DVD. Kuchipudi, and my experience of learning this form of dance is when I was a beginner, when I wanted to do a lot of acting and all, when I approached a lot of directors, they would ask me, did you have formal training in acting? I told them, no, I'm a Kuchipudi dancer. I remember one director laughed at me. How can you say you are a Kuchipudi dancer and how will that help you in acting? I said, in Kuchipudi I have everything. I have Abhinaya, which is expression. I have my body postures and the step, which makes it easier when it comes to dance in the movies because we have dancing around the trees. And other than that also, I think my body language, the correction has happened through the process of learning it because I'm never sloppy, I never droop and all. With the postures, you're always straight. That also helped me during my modeling because models can never be, loose and your body has to be perfect. That way, it has helped me train my body to be always in a perfect position. I never sit like this. I never have a hunchback. I never sit like that. Always, anything is artistic. That's what a lot of people have remarked me saying that when you pose, everything it's like a very geometrically right. So this has helped me not just with my acting, with my modeling, and otherwise the way I carry myself has also improved a lot. Because see, if I was not a Kuchipudi dancer, I wouldn't know how to walk, how to sit, unless and until it is in me, naturally. A lot of people